Today, we're diving into the world of indoor air quality because, well, it's kind of a big deal. I'm Jake Wearmouth from Golden Rule. You see, the air you breathe in your home can have a big impact on your health and comfort. So let's talk about 3 strategies to make that air as clean and fresh as possible. First up, we've got air cleaners. These nifty devices are like superheroes for your indoor air. They swoop in and capture all those pesky particles like dust, pollen, pet dander, and even some sneaky bacteria and viruses. Next, let's shine a light on UV lights. These UV lights are like tiny germ busters. They zap away mold, bacteria, and viruses by messing with their DNA. It's like having a disinfecting sunbeam inside of your HVAC system. Now, let's talk about humidifiers and dehumidifiers. These guys are all about balancing humidity levels. Too dry? A humidifier adds moisture to prevent dry skin and discomfort. Too damp? A dehumidifier takes away excess moisture to keep mold at bay. But hey, if you're into the natural approach, we've got some tricks up our sleeve for you too. Simply open your window and let that fresh outdoor air work its magic. Houseplants can help, and using natural products with fewer chemicals is another way to keep things clean and green. Now here's the thing. The most effective way to boost indoor air quality might just be a combination platter of all 3 of these strategies. Picture this: air cleaners, UV lights, and humidity control all working together to give you the cleanest, freshest air possible. But why does all this matter? Well, poor indoor air quality can lead to some not so fun symptoms. Things like coughing, sneezing, allergies, fatigue, itchy eyes, and even headaches can be signs of indoor air quality issues. So here's the deal. If you want to breathe easy and feel your best, it's time to take action. And guess what? We've got you covered with all of these fantastic solutions. Just head on over to our indoor air quality page to learn more about air cleaners, UV lights, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, and more. Thanks for tuning in. We can't wait to help you create a healthier and more comfortable home.